How to personalize settings in Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to personalize settings in Discord. So here's what you could do it. First thing first, launch open Discord onto your device, and after which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the use section from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, what you could also do is just go to the settings and here scroll down a bit. You could find all these options. This is basically where you could go ahead and make changes as well. Likewise, you could also go ahead and do it for your server settings. Just launch open the server where you actually want to personalize the settings, then tap on the server name, and next thing you want to do is click onto or tap onto the settings, and this is where you could go ahead and select user management, and this is basically how you will be able to personalize settings in Discord. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.